Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert your USB drive from bootable to normal. So if I open my file explorer, here you can see I have this USB drive which I have made bootable, and in this video I'll show you how to make it normal. So it is very easy. Firstly, we just need to close the file explorer and hit right click on your Windows icon. Then here you will see the option disk management. So just open it. Then here we need to find the USB drive which we have connected to our PC. So this is the drive which I have made bootable and I'm going to convert into normal. So here we just need to hit right click on our drive, then click on delete volume, click on yes. Now it is converted into unlocated space. So hit right click again, click on new simple volume, click on next, next, again click on next, click on finish. And yeah, here you can see the drive is converted into normal drive. If I open my file explorer, here you can see it is now renamed to new volume, and you can now easily use this for your normal use. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.